Stiff wear. Stiff wear. Hey everyone, it's Tyra May. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. As you can tell from the title of this video, I will be trying out wave formers. They've been all over Instagram and YouTube. I'm pretty late, but better late than never, so I'm gonna try them out. I bought 4 packs of wave formers from eBay. It's about 48. I was gonna buy the 60 pack, but those were sold out, so I just gotta make it do what it do with the 48. And these are the longest ones that they make because y'all know I got a lot of hair, so I needed the longest. I'll link the wave formers down below. Got them off for eBay for about $30, and the seller was based in the US, so they didn't take that long to get here. But I'm tired of talking, so let's get into these wave formers. So I'm starting off with 2 braids. I washed my hair about 2 days ago with the Talia Wahi shampoo, and I used the Texture ID deep conditioner. Everyone has been raving about Texture ID, so I was like, might as well see what the hype's about. I don't know how I feel about the deep conditioner yet, but I'll get back to y'all on that. After that, I applied 2 products from Miss Jessies. They're MultiCultural curls and they're Pillow Soft curls. I took the Miss Jessies products from online because they smell so good, and they left my hair feeling really, really soft. So I'm gonna just take out these braids now. Since I already have the Miss Jessies in my hair, I'm not gonna apply it anymore. I'm just gonna use water and this mousse from the Main Choice. This is their pink lemonade and coconut super antioxidant and texture beautifier mousse. Never used this mousse before, but the Main Choice is one of my favorite brands, and every product that I've tried for them worked really well, so I'm expecting the same for this mousse. There are 12 wave formers in each pack. The blue and yellow are honestly the same thing. It's not like curl formers where one curls this way and the other one curls that way. They're the same exact thing, just different colors. And it also comes with this big old stick. It comes in 3 parts and you just have to snap it together. I do own some curl formers, so I do have the curl former hook. This is what it looks like. It's much sturdier, better quality than this one. And the end is rubberized, so it won't hurt your hand while you're applying it, versus this cheap plastic one. And the curl former hook is shorter. So I'm gonna split my hair into 4 sections, and I'll just use a pack for each section. So I'm gonna do this section first. Just gonna spray some water. The water is applied, I'm just going to go in with this mousse. Yo, my curls are popping right now. Okay. I see you, Main Choice. I see you, Miss Jessies. I am going to twist the root just a little bit, just so I have something to hook onto. And this is suction too big. Why can't I get it in the hook? Child, I thought this was gonna be easy. Okay, I have it on the hook. So now I'm just going to pull it through. We have the first one done. I have like this much room left in the wave former. Like it's not really in there good. It probably won't be super smooth because I do like see some curls, but we'll get better as we go along. Twist the root, hook it on, What the heck? Oops. Child, I don't think this gonna work out. This is harder than it looks. Pull. And people made it look so easy. So we have 3 in. It took me 3 minutes. I mean, it didn't take me 3 minutes. It took me 11 minutes to get 3 waveformers in. To make this easier on me, I don't know why I didn't do this before, but I'm going to preload all the sticks because I have 4. All 4 sticks. And now we can load these bad boys. Okay, we got them locked and loaded. Twist, hook, pull. I'm getting the hang of it. So that's what you want to do. Twist, hook, pull, shape. What I'm realizing is your sections can't be that big. I mean, obviously, but if you're struggling to pull it through, most likely all your hair isn't hooked or the section's too big. But I only got 48 of these things, so this butt's so small I can go. So this is taking me longer than expected. I'm just gonna continue to put them in on this side and I'll be back to do this side because hopefully I've discovered a new technique that's easier because girl, I'm struggling right now and I don't want to do this anymore, but we gonna push through. So I finally finished applying all the waveformers to this side. I ended up using all 24. I used 11 in the back section and I used 13 in the front section. I struggled, but I got it done. I realized that it was easier to apply all your products and then go in with like each waveformer instead of applying as you go. So that's what I'm gonna do to this section. Okay y'all, so I have one more section. This section in the back, I can barely see because these waveformers are blocking everything. So I'm gonna just let y'all watch me struggle to put the rest of these waveformers in. I don't think I'm gonna do this again because it's too much. Comment down below if any of you guys have tried waveformers, and if you've tried them, did you struggle putting them in? Because sometimes I'll have a nice little flow going, and then I'll have to like redo one waveformer 3 times because it doesn't want to pull through. So let me know if y'all struggled. I finally have all the waveformers in. It took me forever, but they're all in. Now I'm just gonna let these dry. I'm probably gonna sleep with them because it's 5 o'clock. They took me longer than expected, so I'll just see y'all when these are all dry. So I'm back. I'm hoping these are all dry because I have somewhere to go, so They have to come out even if they're not dry. When I tell you guys it was so hard sleeping in these, don't do it. Wouldn't recommend it. Just sit under a dryer. Get yourself a dryer to sit under, because these things, you will have the worst sleep of your life if you decide to sleep with these things in. Don't be like me. Get a dryer and don't go to sleep with these. Now, the moment that we have all been waiting for, I'm gonna take these out, starting with the back. We might have something. We might have something. Okay, this is how we looking. This is the only one that looks janky, and it still doesn't look that bad. I think we got something. The main choice, that mousse really did something. Hair is not crunchy, really soft. I don't see any flakes. I told y'all, the main choice. Courtney be putting her foot in all the products. Like, they have no reason to be this bomb. Last one. I thought I wasn't gonna want to put these things in again, but y'all see this right now? I am shook. Stiff wear, movement, shape. Can you say shook? Like, I just want to thank the creator of waveformers because they really snapped. Like, my hair has no reason to look this good. Now it's time to separate, and we gonna be done soon. My final thoughts on waveformers. I'm a fan. I love them. They are everything. If you haven't tried them, you should go try them out. No, this video isn't sponsored. I bought these by myself off eBay. I just want y'all to experience what I'm experiencing right now, because I know y'all see it. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw me posting the waveformers on my story, and everybody was like, oh girl, tell me how they come out. They're gonna come out bomb, blah, blah. And I'm just like, I hope so. Like, these better come out bomb, because I was going to swing with somebody if they didn't come out bomb. But I don't gotta fight, I don't gotta swing on nobody, because they came out bomb. It was worth all the pain, all the suffering that I went through installing them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. Join the baking gang. Join the Tyra May family. And don't forget to like this video, because what's not to like? Like I said, the waveformers will be linked down below. All the products I use will be linked down below as well. And that's it for this video. Until next time, I'll let y'all kids later. Bye.